The Supreme Court today rejected appeals filed by BCCI and Byju's promoter Riju Ravindran upholding NCLAT's decision that insolvency proceedings against Byjus can only be withdrawn if 90% of its creditors agree. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardewala and R. Madhavan heard the matter. Senior advocates K.K. Venugopal and Guru Krishna Kumar appeared for Riju Ravindran, while Solicitor General Tushar Mehta represented the BCCI. The issue revolves around Think and Learn Private Limited, the parent company of Byjus, which had entered corporate insolvency resolution process after defaulting on payments to the BCCI over a jersey sponsorship deal. The insolvency process was triggered on 16th July 2024 based on a petition filed by the BCCI under Section 9 of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. After a settlement was reached between Byjus and the BCCI, attempts were made to withdraw the insolvency process. But here is where the legal dispute arose. BCCI and Ravindran argued that their settlement and withdrawal application, known as Form FA, was completed before the Committee of Creditors was even formed, and therefore approval from the COC was not required under Regulation 30A(1)(a). This regulation deals with the procedure for withdrawal of a corporate insolvency resolution process after the Committee of Creditors has been constituted. However, the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal and now the Supreme Court disagreed. It was noted that the COC was constituted on August 21st, 2024, but the Form FA was filed only on 14th November 2024, well after that date. Hence, as per Regulation 30A(1)(b), approval of 90% of the COC was necessary for withdrawal. Also, the Glass Trust, another creditor of Byjus, opposed the withdrawal and also objected to claim that the application had been filed on time. It pointed out that BCCI had itself asked the insolvency resolution professional to wait for the Supreme Court's decision before filing the withdrawal application. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upheld NCLAT's ruling, reinforcing that once the COC is formed, no withdrawal of insolvency proceedings can happen without its nod. This is a major blow to Byjus, BCCI and Riju Ravindran, as the insolvency proceedings will now continue unless 90% of the COC agrees to withdraw.